Hello and welcome to this step-by-step Alteryx tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to data analytics or have heard about Alteryx and are curious to learn more, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the core concepts and practical steps to get started with Alteryx, a powerful tool in the data analytics landscape. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how it works and how to build your first workflow. Let's dive in. What is Alteryx? Before we start, let's clarify what Alteryx is. Alteryx is a data analytics platform that allows you to transform raw data into meaningful insights using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It's widely used for data preparation, advanced analytics, and even machine learning. Key features of Alteryx include data integration. Combine data from multiple sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and APIs. Data preparation. Clean, transform, and organize data for analysis. Automation. Automate repetitive data tasks to save time and reduce errors. Predictive analytics. Use built-in tools for regression, clustering, and other predictive techniques. Step 1. Setting up Alteryx. Download and install Alteryx Designer. To get started, visit the official Alteryx website and download the Alteryx Designer setup file for your operating system. Follow the step-by-step installation wizard, ensuring you accept the license agreement and configure the settings as needed. Once the installation is complete, open the application and you're ready to explore its features. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Tool palette. Located at the top or side, this is where you'll find all the tools categorized by functions like input/output, preparation, and join. These tools are used to build workflows that handle specific data tasks. Canvas. The main workspace where you visually create workflows by dragging and dropping tools and connecting them to form a logical sequence. This is the heart of your Alteryx experience. Configuration window. When a tool is selected, this window shows its settings and options, allowing you to customize its behavior to suit your workflow requirements. Results window displays the output, errors, or warnings generated when a workflow runs, helping you debug and refine your work. Step 2. Input data. The first step, importing data. The foundation of any Alteryx workflow begins with importing data into the workspace. Whether your data resides in Excel files, CSV formats, or SQL databases, Alteryx makes it seamless to bring it all together. This step ensures you have the right dataset to build and analyze workflows effectively. Use the Input Data tool. Drag and drop the Input Data tool from the tool palette onto the canvas to get started. This tool acts as the gateway for importing external data into Alteryx. In the configuration window, use the drop-down menu to locate and select your desired data source. You can browse for files, connect to databases, or even pull data from cloud storage. Supported formats include Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, SQL databases, and many more. Preview the data. Once you've selected your data source, Alteryx generates a preview of the dataset in the results window. This preview is crucial for understanding the structure of your data, including column names, data types, and any initial anomalies. This helps you plan your next steps more effectively. Step 3. Data preparation. Prepare your data for analysis. After importing your dataset, the next step is preparing it to ensure it's clean, organized, and ready for analysis. Alteryx offers several tools to streamline this process, from cleaning messy data to filtering and sorting specific records. Cleaning the data. Drag the data cleansing tool from the tool palette to the canvas. This tool allows you to perform tasks like removing null values, trimming unnecessary white space, and standardizing text cases, uppercase/lowercase. In the configuration window, specify the cleaning actions you need, such as replacing null values or standardizing formatting across the dataset. This ensures consistency and accuracy in your data. Renaming fields. Use the Select tool to rename columns, reorder fields, or even change their data types. Drag this tool onto the canvas and connect it to the Input Data tool. In the configuration window, customize column names, adjust the order of fields, and set appropriate data types for each column to align with your analysis goals. Filtering data. Drag the Filter tool to the canvas to include or exclude specific rows based on certain conditions. For instance, filter sales records to display only data for a particular region or time period. Configure the filtering conditions in the configuration window, specifying criteria such as numeric thresholds, text matches, or date ranges. Sorting data. Use the sort tool to arrange your data in ascending or descending order based on one or more fields. For example, sort by sales figures to identify top performing regions or products. Drag the tool to the canvas, connect it to your dataset, and select the fields you want to sort by in the configuration window. Step 4. Data transformation. In this step, you'll manipulate the data to suit your analysis needs. Combining data. Use the join tool to combine two datasets based on a common field, such as customer ID or order ID. Configure the tool to define the join type, inner, left, or right. Pivoting data. Use the crosstab tool to transform rows into columns. This is useful for creating summary tables or pivot-like structures. Calculating new fields. Use the formula tool to create new columns based on calculations or transformations. For example, you can calculate the total revenue by multiplying quantity by unit price. Step 5. Analysis and insights. Transition to analysis. With your data cleaned and organized, it's time to extract meaningful insights. Alteryx provides powerful tools for summarizing data, creating visuals, and performing predictive analytics, all without the need for coding expertise. Summarizing data. Drag the Summarize tool from the tool palette to the canvas and connect it to your clean data. This tool allows you to calculate key metrics like sums, averages, counts, minimums, and maximums. In the configuration window, select the fields you want to analyze and specify the operations to be performed. For instance, you can group data by region and calculate total sales for each. Creating charts and visuals. Use tools like the Report Map tool or Interactive Chart tool to create visual representations of your data. These visuals help to communicate trends, patterns, or comparisons effectively. Drag these tools to the canvas, connect them to your data, and configure options like chart type, axis, and labels in the configuration window to customize the appearance. Predictive analytics. Use the predictive toolset for tasks like regression analysis, clustering, or time series forecasting. These tools are pre-configured, so you don't need to write code to use them. Step 6. Outputting results. After analyzing the data, you'll want to share or save the results. Export data. Use the Output Data tool to save the results to a file or database. Supported formats include Excel, CSV, Tableau, and more. Generating reports. Use reporting tools in Alteryx to create polished reports with tables and charts. These reports can be exported as PDFs or shared with stakeholders. Step 7. Automating workflows. One of Alteryx's strengths is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Creating macros. Combine multiple tools into a reusable macro to simplify complex workflows. Scheduling workflows. Use Alteryx Server to schedule workflows to run at specific times or intervals. This ensures your data processing tasks are automated, saving time and effort. Step 8. Best practices and tips. Start small. Begin with simple workflows to build confidence before tackling complex projects. Use comments. Add comments to your workflow to explain each step. This makes it easier to understand for you and others. Leverage the Alteryx community. Join the Alteryx community to access resources, tutorials, and forums where you can ask questions and share knowledge. Experiment and explore. Don't hesitate to try out different tools and configurations. Experimentation is key to mastering Alteryx. Congratulations! You've now learned the basics of using Alteryx for data preparation, transformation, and analysis. With its intuitive interface and powerful tools, Alteryx empowers you to turn raw data into actionable insights quickly and efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start with small projects, explore the Alteryx community, and continue experimenting with different workflows to enhance your skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on data analytics tools and techniques. Thank you for joining us and happy analyzing.